Pakistan. Pakistan is a land of rich culture and diverse people. With over 70 languages spoken as first languages, Pakistan is a true linguistic mosaic. Urdu, a melodious language with roots in Persian and Arabic, holds the title of Pakistan's national language. Whether you are bargaining at markets or catching the news, Urdu is likely the language you will hear most often. The languages spoken in Pakistan belong to Lehenda linguistic group. The Lehenda linguistic group is a part of the Punjabic linguistic group, which is a subdivision of the Northwestern linguistic group. Similarly, Northwestern linguistic group is a part of the Indo-Aryan group, and Indo-Aryan group is a subpart of the Indo-Iranian group. Finally, the Indo-Iranian group is a branch of the Indo-European group. The languages that comes under Lehenda linguistic group are included Saraiki, Hinko, Jalli, Potahari or Pahari, Multani, and Kathrani. Each language carries its own stories, traditions, and ways of seeing the world. The languages of Indo-Aryan linguistic group that are spoken in Pakistan are Punjabi, Kashmiri, Kohistani, Sindhi, Khar, and Sheena. Let's take a look at some of the most talked about ones. Punjabi, the most common language, is spoken by nearly half the population, 48.2%. Pashto, a language rich in history and tradition, comes in second, 13.1%. Sindhi, the language of Sindh province, is spoken by over 11.8% of Pakistanis. Saraiki, another prominent language, is spoken by almost 9.8% of the population. Urdu, the national language itself, is spoken by over 7.6% of the population. Balochi, a unique language with its own rich heritage, is spoken by 3%. Other languages add to this beautiful diversity, making up 2.9% of the spoken languages. We also have Hinko, spoken by 2.4% of Pakistanis. And Barohi, a fascinating language, is spoken by 1.2% of people. So the next time you think of Pakistan, remember it's a country where languages weave a beautiful tapestry, uniting its people in symphony of voices.